Hello, in front of me I've got Tonsil Flip 6. In this video I'll show you gestures of the speaker. Firstly, take a look at the top of the speaker. Right here we've got the touch panel. Press once plus and minus button to increase or decrease volume, and press and hold it to select next song and previous song. Press this button to turn the speaker on and off. Press the multifunctional button once to answer call. Press it again to decline the call. Press it twice to call the last number. Press multifunctional button once to play and pause the music. And that's basically it for the gestures of the speaker. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.